Hey guys, it's a brisk Sunday morning. It's probably 30 degrees outside, but I'm making some progress on my 280ZX. I've got the right side suspension completely installed, the new suspension, and I thought I would share this video showing the work that I did yesterday. And I'll just review, catch everybody up on what I'm doing. This is what I removed from the car. Here is the factory outer tie rod end. Here is, of course, the end link for the sway bars with poly bushings. This is a adjustable tension compression rod that I bought from Techno Tuning a few years ago, and I just removed all the stuff here that you see. And here's the factory lower control arm with poly bushings that I pressed in a few years ago as well with the factory ball joint. So that's the stuff that came off the car. And here's what went in. Oh, here's what's going to go in on the left side. The right side's already in. I bought a brand new pair of outer tie rod ends, and then I painted them red, as you can see. These are Japanese made outer tie rod ends. They're packaged in TRW Federal Mogul boxes, but they're Japanese made, good quality, and so that's an OEM piece. Techno Tuning actually makes an outer tie rod end as well as an option if you so desire. And here is the factory cast piece that goes at the bottom of the strut and also connects right here to the lower, to the outer, sorry, tie rod. And moving along, here is the new, right here, adjustable tension compression rod, and next to that is the brand new lower control arm with Techno Tuning's adjustable end link for the sway bars. Here's the ball joint that they have, which has Teflon coated bearings, and yeah, so it's all here. And here is, turning around, here is the right side all complete. Hope this comes through clearly in the video. And I've got it all in. Nothing's been torqued down or really tightened down just yet. I'll do that here shortly. But I wanted to show what it looks like all installed. The cool thing with this suspension setup, guys, is that it's fully adjustable. So let's look at that together. You can see right here, I can adjust the tension compression rod to pull the lower control arm in or out, if you will. And on the actual lower control arm, there's adjustability right here, and I could increase the tract by about 30 millimeters. So that's pretty cool if you really want to get aggressive with the suspension, depending if you track or drift or race your car. And then also there's 26 millimeters of adjustable bumps here, so that's pretty neat. Moving along, so let's go back. There's adjustability here. Here, there's adjustability on where you want to actually place your sway bar. There's adjustability where you want to, depending on where you want to place your tension compression rod. And then, of course, like I mentioned earlier, the lower control arm is also threaded. So it's a very cool setup. The key now is to take it to a shop to get it all properly aligned and dialed in. And for me, there's only one place that I trust in the Houston area, and that's Dane over at Houston Z. He's done a lot of race cars, also some impressive street car suspension setups, and he takes his time, does a great job with dialing these suspensions in, and he'll be the only guy that that does all the alignment here on my car. So anyway, hope you guys like it. It's gonna be cool, and certainly when it's all done, which will be in a few days, I will certainly provide a feedback video on how the car steers and handles. So hope you like it. Some other details are, of course, the awesome Woolwood 6-piston caliper brakes. I've got titanium lug nuts that I had made for me. I'm using longer studs because of my custom-made 3-piece wheels, the SSR XR4Zs, and you can see it's a 2-piece rotor with aluminum hat. Great brake setup for these cars. I'm also running stainless braided lines, and here's my coilover setup again. Camber plates are up there, also Techno toy tuning. And one last thing I wanted to mention is when I had the car painted, the right side door mirror accidentally broke the glass, and I just installed a brand new one yesterday, as you can see there. I bought it from an eBay seller, forget their name, but it's an American-made glass. That's the box it came in, and it fit perfectly, and it was a very straightforward installation. I put a little bit of epoxy in the back side of the new glass so that way it wouldn't fall out, because it's typically a friction fit. And I highly recommend this product. I just looked them up on eBay, guys. It was $12, $12 or $13, and it's an American made, like I said, and it fits really well. So glad to have that back in. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well, and stay tuned. I have some cool things happening here in about a week or two, and possibly a new automotive arrival or two. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing some cool things in 2019. Take care. Bye.